Hello. Say. Ah! Hello. This is my tissue box. Tissue storage room. Here's how. Instructions! How to make slime. And how to make slime. Although I don't have what you need: measuring cup, measuring spoons, mixing spoon, measuring cup, measuring spoons, mixing spoon, 2 small balls, glitter, clear washable glue, baking soda, saline solution. And I don't even have any of these. I don't have clear washable glue, baking soda, saline solution. What the f is that? I have measuring cup, measuring spoon, mixing spoon, 2 small balls, and glitter. Only 6 I have. It even has glitter on it. Yes, this was gifted like what, 3 years ago? Wait. Ooh, clip. Hey, Father. I'm gonna do something real quick. Pinky. Pinky inside. This is what I'm gonna do. Pinky inside box. I will close this. Ang baliktad. Oh no! Instructions: pinky, paper clip, and axolotl. Ha?
Ano to? Saan na naman to?
Bago yan. And then it's all done. Wait, wrong. Oh no.
Naka-vlog ka ba?
Ha? Yeah.
Dali, mag-vlog ito. Ano na naman yung nasa taas na yun?
Tapos.
Alam mo kasi, mag-vlog kita ko para mag-guide tayo dito.
And look at this. It is super.
Ang dami pa nito.
And it is super nice. Oh, I forgot one. Right there. Papa, ipopost ko to Okay, and then look at this! Yay! It's a kitty!
Dali.
Look at this! Yay!
Ano oras na ba? Ano oras na, baby?
21:11.
Pakis nga, baby ko.
Cute. Fuzzy, cute. Fuzzy, cute. Smells bulaklak. Papamuin mo to.
Ay, kanino po yun siya? Ginawa mo pala yan. Ikaw gumawa niyan?
O yung drawing.